Welcome everyone to BLUU FLASH, February edition, Part 2. Today, we'll continue with key updates that help restaurants take control, stay flexible, and make online ordering more efficient. In this session, we'll cover a quick fact sheet overview, explore online real-time menu and pricing management, and finish with a short demo video. BLUU's Epipay is our online ordering module designed specifically for restaurants. It allows merchants to accept online orders through epipay.com, with orders delivered either by email or directly into the POS using BLUU Restaurant Pro or BLUU Restaurant. The experience is fully branded, easy to manage, and built to fit seamlessly into existing restaurant operations. Epipay, the online ordering platform with real-time menu and pricing control. This feature gives merchants real-time control over their online menu. Whether it is disabling a sold-out item or adjusting prices on the fly, everything can be done directly from the POS. No back-office login, no support call, and no customer frustration. Let's take a moment to explore this visually. This quick demo will show how easily menu groups and individual items can be managed in real time, helping keep your online menu accurate at all times. Real-time menu and pricing control. From the main screen, we will start by navigating to Operations Settings. Depending on your system setup, you may be prompted to enter the manager's password to continue. Next, we will select Online Order Menu Setting. From the Menu Group tab, you can enable or disable an entire menu group. This change will be reflected immediately in the online store, known as Epipay. To make the update, simply select Yes or No in the In Use section. The menu group has now been removed from the online ordering page. Now let's re-enable the menu group. As you can see, it has been synchronized with the online ordering page. Next, for individual item modifications, such as disabling an item or updating its price, navigate to the Menu Items tab. Select the item you want to modify. From here, you can either disable the item or update its pricing to reflect your establishment's needs. To disable an item, simply select No in the In Use section. To update pricing, enter the new online price in the Online Price field. Once completed, click Update and save to apply the changes. As you can see, the update has been synchronized with the online ordering page. To wrap up, the online order menu setting puts merchants in full control, with easy access right at your fingertips. It provides quick control over menu items and pricing, helping reduce errors, prevent unnecessary refunds, and ensure a smoother experience for both merchants and customers. Thank you for joining BLUU FLASH, February edition, Part 2.